Hi guys, it's Sherry. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Well, guess what day it is? Yeah, it's hump day, but it's also giveaway day. And I want to thank everyone who participated in the giveaway. All of the comments were just so warm and wonderful. The memories of your dad, everything was just so sweet, and I loved reading each and every one of them. And I want to thank all of you for the interest expressed in this giveaway. So the giveaway that we're about to do is for the tag kit, and here is the kit itself, and here is the tag. So what I'll be doing is I'm going to draw the 6 winners, and then I'll come back with a second video that will be a drawing for the paper packs that I'm giving away. So let's jump right into it. So I'm going to write down my names as I draw them. So what I'm using here is just a random site so that I can keep this as fair as possible. So I have all of the names loaded into the randomizer here, and everyone who submitted a comment is listed here. So let's jump right into picking these names. So my first winner is Deborah Clark. I'm just writing her name down so I won't forget it. Go back up, and I am going to pick my second winner. My second winner is Tammy Pennington. Let's go up and pick our third winner. My third winner is Crafts I Heart. And my fourth winner is Christine McKechnie. I think that's how we pronounce it. And it's so funny because I just had a comment from Christine right before I came out to do the drawing that said she missed the drawing on the paper packs because she didn't know that there was a second video coming out. Well, Christine, aren't you lucky, because you are winner number 4 on this gift tag giveaway. So let's pick another name for winner number 5. Blessed Bertha Wilson. All right, Bertha. I remember your comment. You said you wanted to make these for your pastors. So you've got a good start here. And let's pick the final name, and my final winner of one of these beautiful tags is Crafty Lady 11. So guys, if I don't have your mailing address, and for most of you I don't, please shoot me an email at poshpaperlady@gmail.com. Give me your mailing address, and I will drop these in the mail to you tomorrow if I have your mailing address today. If I don't have your mailing address today, then I will drop this in the mail as soon as I receive your mailing address. So thank you to everyone who participated in this giveaway. For you winners, congratulations. I hope that you love these kits as much as I loved putting them together. Y'all have a great day. Happy crafting, and we're going to chat later. Bye.